Ready Electrical.
Always ready.
If you're having problems with your power,
Always ready.
Ready Electrical.
What's up, folks? It's Big Sid. We gonna do this maintenance on this AC unit. This thing is filthy. Filthy. So, yeah, you guys, man, charging $75 just to clean these things. You know, you're not taking these grills off. You need to start doing that. Because look at all this stuff. This is years right here. Years. I don't know how this thing was breathing. But we're gonna get it cleaned up. Get right back at you. Big Sid. Alright, folks. We got it broke down, got the cleaner on it. All that dirt just foaming up. Foaming up and foaming off. Man, this thing is dirty. That's how you want to do a thorough cleaning right here. Break this thing down. If you care about your work. Yeah, buddy. Dirty job, but somebody got to do it. That jigger all clean now. All clean. Inside and out. And guys, cleaning these for customers, man. Y'all gotta clean this inside core too. You see this here? That's two layers, not just one. Don't be just trying to spray off from the front. Get in, raise that fan hood up, and get that stuff clean in there. And you see them coils. That's how you do that there. Already. Big Sid out. Always ready. 405 pounds. Oh yeah.